In modern mirror manufacturing, every product begins with carefully selected glass materials. High-quality mirror glass is prepared and inspected before entering the production line. Large glass sheets are transported into the factory using specialized handling equipment. This ensures safe movement while preventing scratches, cracks, or other surface damage. The glass panels are positioned and fed into automated processing machines. Precision rollers guide each sheet smoothly through the production system. Advanced CNC equipment performs accurate cutting, according to the required dimensions and shapes. Every cut is carefully controlled to achieve perfect consistency and minimal material waste. After cutting, the edges of the mirror are processed and polished. This important step removes sharp edges while creating a smooth and professional finish. Each mirror is then cleaned thoroughly to remove dust, particles, and processing residues. A perfectly clean surface is essential for achieving outstanding mirror quality. Protective films and backing materials are applied to improve durability and protect the mirror during transportation and installation. Additional machining processes may be performed depending on the product design. These operations ensure that every mirror meets strict manufacturing standards. Throughout production, quality inspections are carried out at multiple stages. Every mirror is checked for surface clarity, edge quality, and overall appearance. Once approved, the finished mirrors move to the assembly and finishing area. Skilled workers carefully prepare each product for packaging. Finally, the mirrors are securely packaged to ensure safe delivery. Through precision engineering, advanced technology, and strict quality control, each mirror is crafted to provide lasting beauty and reliable performance.